Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All's quiet out there again tonight so far. About day, 5, 6, 12, 32? Can't even tell at this point. That big high-pressure ridge has kept us very dry and unseasonably warm for some through the middle of January here. But for others, including all of us here in the valley, oh boy, it's been another day of overcast skies. That surface inversion dropped last night. It was at around 3,000 feet, dropped down to around 1,500 to 1,000. You say, well, wait a minute, Stapes, what are you talking about? Well, remember a couple days ago, you saw the clouds, and Brian Richardson and I were actually talking about this. Looks more like a cloudy, overcast day. Today, if you go outside, though, those clouds are right on top of you, and that is because that inversion continues to get squished down as that high gets closer and closer to us. Now, that's actually good because that means as that's moving closer to us, we'll eventually start to get a switch of the winds by late tomorrow and Friday, and that will start to scoop all this kind of stagnant air that's been around. Speaking of, we've got stagnant air advisories, that little light shading you can see across the Willamette Valley, starting tomorrow morning, go all the way through about midday on Sunday. We still have the freezing fog advisories out and the stagnation advisories out for Douglas County. So today our air quality was not so bad. Started off in the good, but tomorrow I'm forecasting again along with El Rapa. I think we're going to go back to the moderate category. Not the best. We really have a lot of pollutants trapped close to the surface, and it's going to take a little while to get those out of the way. Now, some spots again today saw a very nice afternoon. Out to the coast, it was sunny from basically sun up to sundown just a few minutes ago. 52 in North Bend, mid to upper 40s in Florence and in Newport. Just a tad warmer in Cottage Grove. They saw a few peaks of sun. Not so much for us here in the valley. And same thing down to Roseburg. Socked in with the fog all day today on top of Willamette Pass. Another beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Wait till you see the shot we've got at Odell Lake. I'll have that at 6. So overnight tonight, I'm going to keep the temperatures up just a degree or two for everybody. But still, everyone will be below freezing here, sitting in the valley. Probably sitting just at or above freezing as you get out to the coast. And the same story, unfortunately, for Thursday. Now, there is a chance we could get a few peaks of sun for the central northern valley by late in the day, but the air quality issues will continue. And as we head to the weekend, that's when we start to see not only the upper air high move to the south, but the surface high move over top. And that'll start that little bit of a return flow from the south and southeast. And that's what will finally start to stir that air mass more and get everybody into the sunshine like folks at the coast have been enjoying the last couple of days. You'll see another great day of that again tomorrow. A little bit of fog starting to push back in the overnight hours as we head in towards the weekend. You can see again, that'll indication those onshore winds just getting a bit stronger. And right now it looks like we'll see that high eventually try to break down by next Wednesday, bringing a few light chances for showers. I may take that out though by tomorrow. In the Umpqua, partly sunny. Okay, we'll go mostly cloudy to partly sunny. I think much better chances of looking at a better sunnier weekend as we get in towards Saturday, Sunday. Cascade, sunny and mild. Again, temperatures in the mid to upper 40s there and in the foothills. Mid 40s, sunny and mild in Bend and Redmond. Nice looking forecast for folks out and through much of the central Oregon and here in the valley. Again, we're going to go glass half full, but I still think our better chances to see that's going to be this weekend. But as I said, glass half full right here.
We're hoping.
Keep it up.
Fingers crossed for sure.
Fingers crossed, you bet.
Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.